My art this year is heading to the animation period, when I've already made a number of comic books with illustrations by itself. So the next step is illustration, and what I've learned from the design week is I can't do everything by myself, because from what I've watched and from the interaction is everybody has a part to play in order to produce a masterpiece.
I tend to collect SIM card shells and credit cards that have been discarded and use them as tools to create. But my brand, I love to create themes surrounding the military and their life, because my inspiration is basically based on the existence of humanity.
When I usually like designing products that are visually aesthetic as an additional feature to functionality. So you don't just create a product that is functional but doesn't look good for the mass.
Design has to be human-centered, but it has to be ecosystem-centered and planet-centered, right? So we have to keep developing that language.
And the value in being a design and build company is you lower the risk involved in having so many consultants within the whole construction process.
As far as I know, there is a long way designing to go in Kenya. There are lots of things to be done.
I'm hoping you're getting a sense that everyone has a role to play in development. So it's not a space for, say, anthropologists, social scientists. It's a space for everyone to bring in their ideas to address these complex challenges. And one thing that we are focusing on as a lab is the wisdom of the crowd.
For those who have never known what Free Mind Sessions is, we are a community actually, that comes together once a month, sometimes twice a month, such as this kind of months if we are collaborating with now Nairobi Design Week. And the aim is to give people a chance to open up, be vulnerable, converse, and mingle. We are a networking night.
Today's session is revolving around design and everyday objects.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Are you a designer? Okay. Were you here yesterday? Well done. You've multiplied your chances. So thank you, Virginia. Well done. Congratulations.
Nairobi Design Week was an awesome experience. It was an urbanized feel about modern art, and it's a good introduction, and it will going to give traction. Like for example, the furniture that I'm sitting on, like it's a brilliant design. It's simple enough and well thought through.
Hiyo ukuta venye imechorwa choro, hiyo venye imechanganya marangi na kafi bad.
And we participated in the workshop on Monday on design thinking for everyone, and we were able to see actually some quite simple ways of solving some of the problems we faced.